Hello everyone, I'm Tanishq.
I'm Lakhumikar.
And I'm Shreshta from grade 6 ATL Public School, Mysore.
Our team is Swasth India and we are trying to solve the problem of obesity and malnutrition under the theme of health and nutrition.
We have made a fruit bar to supplement the midday meal that is provided to children in government and government-aided schools. The government tried to supplement its midday meal with eggs to address the problems of malnutrition, but this move was opposed.
Our product, fruit bar named Rasaba, is easy to make as only easy available ingredients have been used. Besides, it can be made in the kitchen where the midday meal is cooked. The ingredients used in our product Rasaba are bananas, jaggery, groundnuts and moong dal. We choose our ingredients very carefully after much research. The main ingredient, banana, is rich in carbohydrates, minerals and vitamins. It is an instant source of energy.
We chose to use bananas for many reasons. The first reason is that bananas are healthy and available throughout the year in Karnataka. It has been chosen by the Government of India as the product of Mysore district under the One District One Product scheme. Bananas have a short shelf life and overripe bananas are usually thrown away instead of being eaten.
Hence, we thought that we could do some value addition to bananas and use it to address both malnutrition and obesity. Our next ingredient is jaggery. Jaggery is a healthy alternative to sugar. It is a good source of iron and is the product of Mandya district, a neighboring district of Mysore.
The other two ingredients are roasted groundnuts and roasted moong dal powder. Both these are good source of protein. After much experimentation and tasting by our teachers and classmates, we arrived at the right proportion to mix these ingredients. We then tested the shelf life of our fruit bar. Under room temperature, we can keep our fruit bar for 2 days. If it is refrigerated, it stays good and tasty for 4 days, and after that the taste changes.
If we are selected, we would like to take the help of CFTRI, Mysore, to increase the shelf life of our product.
I did the research and documentation.
I, Shreshta, helped in the experimentation and documentation.
I, Lakhumikar, helped in experimentation.